Hi there, welcome back to CSSCast, where you are learning about material design with Material Design Light Framework. Well, from the last few movies, you are learning about MDL grids, and you have learned that how you can actually create responsive layout which look awesome in any devices. Well, now here in this movie is based on advanced MDL grid configuration. And here in this movie, I'm going to talk about how you can reorder your content, which is really nice. So now let's go ahead and let's learn about that reordering your cells. So for that, I can get back to down here and we'll actually start coding right from here. But first of all, let me show you the preview of this page. So if you get back to here, see, this is the preview. Very simple, very easy. Let me get back to here. And now I can simply just go ahead and create a simple MDL grid here, which is actually going to be MDL row. And here let's go ahead and let's create a 4 cell here. So here I'm going to say, okay, fine, I'm going to say here MDL cell, and then I'm going to say here MDL cell, and let's say here I need 4 cell, so that's why I need a 3 column in each. So 3 col, and that's it. Now inside this one I can simply just go ahead and add some random lorem ipsum text, and I'm going to paste it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. If I get back to here, there we go. We have just got this 4 cells here, which is really looks nice for me. If I get back to here, let me just go right to here, and let me just go ahead and let's see here strong. This is gonna be 1, and let's go ahead copy this one from there, and I can simply just go ahead paste in right here. So it's gonna be 2. This is gonna be, let's say, 3, and the final one is gonna be 4. So there we go. This is 4. If I get back to here, I can see now 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me actually just hit Control ++ or better. And if I get back to style.css here, I can simply say here, let's say body, and in body, let's say here font size, and let's say here 140%. So it will actually going to be like, really look a little bit big, so you can see it. See, there we go. Now you can see it, right? Cool. Perfect. So now what I can do here, I can simply get back to here, and let me just get back to here. Now how you can actually reorder these stuff here. Let me actually make this strong here, little bit different color here. So I can select strong. Blue is fine. See, now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me tell you that now by default in this flex box, this ordering is 0. So now this is actually, this all cells have an order of 0. It's really organizing based on which comes first. Yeah, but if you want to reorder it, you can easily do that. So let me get back to my creator here and let's reorder it. So first of all, the highest order label is going to be win, which is always going to be very right here. Let me show you. If I get back to here, and you can see this is actually let's go to here, and if I say here MDL, this is going to be cell, and here I can simply say order. So order, and let's say here which order you want to give this one. Well, if I say here 1, now these 3 are now have a 0 order, but now the first one is going to be 1. It's mean it is the highest level of order, and now the one is right here. See, the first one is came here because it is the highest version. Now if I get back to here and the second one, and if I say here, let me just copy it here, I can simply paste it right here. And now if I say here, okay fine, I want to make it, let's say 3. If I say here 3, now the 3 have the highest score. Now if I reload it, you can see now the second one is the very right. This is actually have a level of 3. This is 1, and these are the 0. So if I just go to here in 3, and if I say okay, make this level of 2, now this one actually have a 1 level. This is actually 3, and this is 2. So now what will happen? This is come after 2. Let me show you. If I just go down here, if I say order, and let's say here 2, now you will see 2, 3, and 1, and 4 is actually got a 0. So that's why 4 is actually just just placing here. But if I say here 4 order to be, let's say 4, which is actually the highest one, it's actually going to align here right at the very right here, which is really nice. But let me tell you that if you just reordering this stuff here, it is not good for accessibility purpose. So just keep in that mind. If you just do that, you will actually going to compromise accessibility, right? Nice. So again, now you can do that, but you also have the option to reorder in tablets and phone devices. So now you can see in desktop there's a 1, 3, 2, 4, but if you want to reorder it in tablet, you can do that. You can simply just go to here and you can simply say MDL -shell -order 1. Now you can see here in where? In tablet. Yes, so in tablet, let's actually set here, okay fine, this is fine, I want this one here, and let me just go down here, reload it, and you can see there's no changes here, but as soon as I hit this tablet version, which is actually in tablet here, now you can see 1, 3, 2, 4. Now I can simply just go to here and I can simply just copy this one, and I'm going to align it naturally here. So I can simply just go to here and I can simply say this is gonna be 2, and this is gonna be, let's say here 3, and this is gonna be 4, the final one here. If I get back to here, now you can see it's ordering naturally 1, 2, 3, 4. See, perfect. Again, you also got an option in this particular phone. So in phone you can see 1, 3, 2, 4, and that's only because of I have placed here this MDL -shell -order 4. I haven't specified in desktop or phone. Here I specified in tablet, so it's going to be expressed in tablet, but it's actually in phone, it's actually going to pick this one. So you see, it's ordering this one. So again, yeah, you can actually reorder it in just like tablet in phone. It's really up to you. So that's it. This is how you can actually reorder your stuff. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the forum, and thank you so much for joining this movie. See you in the next movie.